India block prints inspired designs. You'll find this in the art supply cabinet. You'll also find a template for your circle. You want to trace the template and cut it out so that you end up with a shape like this. Then, using the same template, you're going to fold your circle in half, mark it across this way, and then, keeping the same halfway shaped circle, you'll turn it this way so that you'll end up with a circle that has been quartered. Taking your scissors, you'll cut the pieces out so that you'll have 4 pieces like this. Each student is going to get one of these for the lesson. You want to do this before the lesson starts. On the day of the lesson, you're going to pass out your paper and you're going to have your students write their name on the back of the paper and turn it over. You're going to have one of these for every 4 students in your Art Masterpiece packet. Your students are going to take the circle, the same circle you used, it's the same size, and they're going to trace it about in the middle of the paper, like that. Okay, and then you're going to put this off to the side. You can collect these. Okay, then you're going to pass out your quartered circles, and your students taking a dull pencil are going to push hard and draw patterns in the circle. You have to push hard enough so that you can really feel the groove with your finger. I'm going to have this sample in the Art Masterpiece packet so that you can really see how much they have to push. This is going to be kind of like a sun design. See, I'm going to go ahead and take my marker and I'm going to trace the patterns that you can see what I made. Okay. Really simple, okay? They shouldn't be writing words or drawing little detailed pictures because it won't show up with this process. Okay, then they're going to put this off to the side and you're going to pass out your paint palettes. Okay. Using your lighter color, you're going to paint a really simple pattern on the inside of the circle. Make sure they leave lots of white space in their pattern. They don't want to do an intricate design or an intricate drawing. It just needs to be a simple pattern. You can see I left lots of white. I put in the lesson that they need to pick, you need to pick 2 colors for them, 2 primary colors, and you'll see why in a minute. Okay, then they really want to, this is really important, they make sure they wash their brush really well before they do the next step. They can tell it's clean that when they rinse it and they rub it on the newspaper in front of them, it comes out clean like that. Okay. Then they take their foam piece that they already carved and they're going to take the second color and they're going to paint the foam piece. I'm going to try not to get it on their fingers because then it'll make their picture look messy if they touch their picture. They need to put a fairly good layer of paint